That's the one. What's the other one? There's 3 bells. No?
All that you will not get it properly. I think we'll get it properly with the tap. By this sideways.
Okay.
I am Etubom, Asuquo, Efiong, Etem. I hold the title of Obong Nyampe in Efe Ekbe Yoema, Iboko. Now, this is Ebonko. Ebonko is just like a managing director in Ekpe Lodge. It's a very big title. We have the headgear, the cap, the hand, and the leg, and the cover.
The shirt.
The cover.
Okay.
Then we have the ribbon.
The sash for the belt.
For the belt. Yeah. For the belt.
Okay.
Now, I want to now imagination.
Excuse me, Etubom. Why is there a bell on the top? No. There's a bell.
You see, the meaning of the bell there, not only on the top, but with his leg around. Because when he's dancing, he will dance with the leg. The leg will give you the meaning of the dancing, and it will give you the sound of the dancing. Even with one with the head, because he will use the head in dancing and making the noise. Chankam, 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 chankam. You see? Now, there is a difference now, and almost similar from the Cuban. They have the headgear. They have the eyes.
Yes.
Like this one have the eyes. They have the...
Let's look at the eyes now. Okay.
They have the cap.
Yes.
As this one has the cap. They have the handles, as this one has.
The arm pieces.
Yes. They have the legs, as this one has. Though they don't have little bell and with this. They have the waist tie here. You see, and they have the bell.
Does Ebonko carry one bell on the back?
Yes, Ebonko carry a bell too on the back, and this one too carry a bell on the back. You see, the difference now is the breast. This one is different. This one is different.
Yeah. What does this signify? This circle?
This signifies Ekwe.
Okay.
This is Ekwe. We call it Njanja.
Njaya.
Njanja.
Njaya.
Yeah. We call it Njanja. In Ebonko, we use clothes and wool to manufacture. In Nyampe, we use raffia and some twine with the cloth and raffia and cap. So now, to show that these two are brothers, there is no difference. Yeah, so I want to say this is Ebonko in Cuba.
Mm-hmm.
This is Ebonko in Cross River, Efiong.
Mm.
You see?
So the top hat, it has a meaning. If it goes straight, it means one thing. If it goes,
Yes.
it means another thing.
Yes.
So the Cuban one is going straight.
Yes.
This one is going, it's almost straight.
Yeah, almost straight, and have the curving.
Uh-huh.
You see?
And Kanda will go straight.
Yes.
So I understand this talks about spiritual category.
No. The difference here, Ebonko has his own doctrine.
Mm-hmm.
Nyankwe has his own doctrine.
Mm-hmm.
Nkanda has his own doctrine. Etc. etc.
Mm-hmm.
So anything here has a meaning.
Mm-hmm.
But you understand? Everything here has a meaning.
Yeah. Okay. What is the meaning of the hat in this one?
The meaning of the heart.
Mm-hmm.
The meaning of the heart is the ear.
Okay.
The meaning of the heart is the gear. Because when performing, what in the meaning of the heart, we call it Utong Ekpe, the ear of Ekpe.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah.